In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset controller settings on Steam. Now, before I start this video, I want to say that you should watch the whole video the whole way through, because if you don't, you might miss a step, and if you miss a step, you could break something, so you don't want to do that. So watch the whole video to make sure you get this right. So, the first step that we want to do is we want to come into Steam. We want to go up to the top and go to where it says Steam, and we want to go to Settings. Next, we want to come down here to Controller. And from here, we want to make sure we turn off a few settings. So this here, all of these you want to turn off. These are the external gamepad settings, so you want to turn all of these ones off here. Make sure that you have this top one on though, that's the only one you want to have on. But the rest, make sure they're off. Next thing we want to do is close this, and we want to close Steam. We want to make sure that we're fully closed, so go down the bottom here. And there should be a little Steam tab here, so click here. And you want to press exit Steam. It's going to say shutting down Steam. And the last thing you want to do is go to Task Manager and completely close it there. Okay, so now for sure that Steam is closed, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the File Explorer here. Open folder. We want to go to most likely our C drive. It depends where you've installed your Steam. So first place we can check is C drive, program files, this one actually, and see if Steam's in there. Steam is not in there for me. I don't think it's in this one. Oh, here we go, Steam. Okay, nice. So we found the Steam file folder. It will be different places for you. Next, I want to go to this file here that says config. Then I want to go to this one that says config here. Right click, and I'm going to open it with Notepad++. You can open it with normal Notepad, but this one's just easier. So once in here, we want to do Control F, and we want to do SDL. Click Find Next, and this is the gamepad bindings. Once we've found that, we want to go here. I want to delete everything after this, so go down to where it says here, and we want to delete everything. Now, we can scroll across to make sure that it's all right, but we basically want to go down to this next bracket, like this. So then we want to delete here, then do Control S, and that's going to save this, and we can close that there, and close that there. Now we can reopen Steam up, and wait for a second for it to load. Okay, so now that Steam's open, we can go back and put our controller, plug the controller back in, and then we can go back up here and go back to the controller settings again. And from here, you know, whichever controller you've got, I've got a PlayStation controller, we can turn that back on. And the settings should be reset, and everything should be working like it's supposed to be. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that this video helped. Thank you for watching.